Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a sloth so cute. Let's start drawing. First I draw Sloth's eyes, then I draw his nose and his mouth. I draw his fur like this. I continue with his hands. Sloth is swinging on a tree branch. Then I draw his body and his two legs. Draw some leaves on the tree branch. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use this brown marker to paint the area around his eyes. For this part, I color light brown. Do you know, sloths move very slowly. Then I use this dark yellow marker to paint. For these leaves, I use dark green to paint. Brown. Green. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.